Okay, morning everybody. So we're here today to develop a regional PMO network for HEE using QUBE. So I'll skip introductions and just say if we can go to the workshop whiteboard and put our names on the map, and so everybody can see where it is today. Okay, fantastic. So I think that's everybody. So we're quite spread out today, which is great. And what we need to do now is decide what's the key thing we need to get out of this session. So we're going to go to hopes and fears and put out what you'd like to get out of this session, your greatest hope and your greatest fear. So Mike, are you doing the hopes and Joss, you the fears, or the other way around?
I'll do the fears if you like. Jocelyn, are you okay to do the hopes?
Absolutely, yep, no problem.
Yeah, super. So, we're now going to go to the workshop whiteboards.
I think that one of the challenges, people are not used to using QUBE yet. The usual way of working gets in the way, so it would be good to get some more sessions in with people so they feel more comfortable with it.
Great, thanks Joe. And Christine?
Yeah, as yourself and Joss have already mentioned, we're trying to get the counterparts together in each region. Joe and myself have already had meetings with some of them, so we're working through the meetings by the end of the month. But really pleased with the enthusiasm from some of the leads that have already come forward for our project futures. So that's a great start.
If there's nothing anyone else wants to add, did we want to go to next steps and look at what we want to take away from today's session? It's on the rapid board.
Yeah,
Great.
Okay, so we've got set up sessions for people to feel more familiar with QUBE, so regular drum beats, plan the agendas for the sessions so we know what we're doing in them, coordinate QUBE registration for regional leads, make sure people can get in and on, and arrange catch-up sessions for those not here to add their thoughts. Final thoughts, do we want to go back into a circle and do a quick spin?
I think it's a great opportunity, and then the fact that we can do all of this work within the environment without even having to leave the office is fab, because then we can bring everybody together from all of the different regions and achieve great things.
Been a really good session and looking forward to getting everyone on here and just working, collaborating and working at this speed. It's great. Good.